Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Ahn Co. It's Monday, March 18th. I'm going to go over the markets with you for the day here. You had some positivity in some Minneapolis wheat market, but that was about it for the grain markets. You could be gaining some attention with this winter conditions that we have through North Dakota, that it might be a little bit of a delayed planting here. So May Minneapolis wheat up 6.5 cents on the day. It is up against some really stiff resistance now at the 40-day moving average. So it'll be interesting to see if it's got enough to kind of push through that. But weakness across the board for the rest of the grain markets. Corn market down 1.5 pennies. We found out Friday after the close that managed money is now record short holdings of corn market. Over 257,000 contracts of short corn they're holding right now. Like I said, that's a record short holding, but still came in here a little bit on the negative side. Bean market here down anywhere from 3.5 to 4.5 cents, and then the wheat market, Chicago and Kansas City, down 5.5 to 6.5 cents. It was rumored out here earlier today that President Trump will not meet with the president of China until maybe June timeframe. This is a little bit disappointing to the market, as I think a lot of people just want a deal to be done and get out of the way and move forward. But if it's pushed out until June, we should know though whether or not China is going to follow through on their purchases of corn or their soybeans, because it is slotted for April to June timeframe. So they should need to actually ship that soybean purchase before they make a trade deal. So that's kind of nice to see that. When you look over at the meat markets, live cattle, feeder cattle, mixed trade out there. Trading both sides, but lean hogs, after being a little bit lower, came back here with higher cutouts in the morning. So a lot of support there. Chinese pork prices are a lot higher, and they're continuing to deal with some problems with African swine fever, and hopefully they continue to buy more pork here from the U.S., and that supports this market. You are against stiff resistance points in hog market, just like you are in Minneapolis wheat though. Outside markets were very quiet today. I do have to close with a disclaimer: trading futures and options involves risk loss and is not suitable for all producers. Have a great day.